By the end of this video, you should learn how to see your age on TikTok. What do I mean by age? I mean the dates of birth you use in registering your TikTok account. These details is not publicly shown on your profile, meaning once you register your account and you log in, there's no way to modify or edit it. But in case where you need to verify and you just want to be sure of the particular age you used while creating your account, this video will show you how to get it. Stay with me. So the first thing to do is you log into your TikTok account. So come to settings and privacy. You should all know how to get to this place, and then you tap on account. Then you see download your data, because this info is not on your profile and there's no way to see it. So you tap on download your data. Then this place you just select all data instead of custom. Then this format, I think test is recommended, and then you tap on request data. So your data is being processed. So this might take within 1 to 3 days to process. You understand? So let's wait for this data to be processed and you can be able to download. And that is where all the work is being done. So as you can see, I requested the data and it's available. Why this is available so fast is because this is a new account, so there's less data to process. But if your account maybe is an older account, maybe over a year plus, this should take longer to process. Maybe it should take more than, let's say, 24 hours. So once it's available for download, under this download data, you tap on download, and you might need to, they will send the code to your email, to your registered email address, and then just fill in the code. So once you put the code, it might be sent to your email or your phone number if you have any link to your account. So you see, the file should start automatically downloading. So you open it with my files, and then you extract this file. So once you are inside the extracted file, you tap on TikTok, and then you scroll down, you see profile and settings. You tap on profile and settings, and here you tap on profile info.txt. This is where the data is contained, and then you can see date of birth. You can see your email address, you can see your username and everything. You can see most of the details, the platform you are connected to. If you connected a Gmail account, you can see everything on this place. But most importantly, the reason for this video is to show us our dates of birth, our age, which we used on TikTok, and we have achieved that. There's also a video on how to check how long we have been on TikTok. So do well to check it out. See you guys.